Today we're heading to a charming little town just minutes from the Walt Disney World resort to show you that Central Florida has so much more to offer than just theme parks. So with that, let's make our way over to Central Florida to pick up the action. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be spending some time in the small little town of Celebration, which is located just minutes from the Walt Disney World resort, and checking out why you may want to come here and take a look for yourselves at what this little sleepy town has to offer. So let's get into it. Today we're exploring Celebration, Florida, a town with a story as unique as its design. Unlike most communities that grow organically, Celebration was built with a vision. In the early 1990s, the Walt Disney Company set out to create a modern version of small-town America, a place that combined nostalgic charm with forward-thinking planning. Construction began in 1994, and by 1996, the first residents were moving in. For many, living here felt like stepping into a real-life version of Disney's Main Street, USA. Disney's influence is everywhere. The architecture pulls from classic American styles such as colonial, Mediterranean, and Victorian, with pastel-colored homes, large front porches, and white picket fences, designed to spark neighborly connections. The streets are walkable, lined with trees and pathways, with everything intentionally crafted to look picture perfect. Even though Disney eventually stepped away from managing Celebration, their original vision still defines the community's look and feel. The town itself is divided into villages or neighborhoods, each with its own personality, yet all connected back to the main village, the heart of Celebration. This hub serves as the central gathering space, tying the neighborhoods together while giving residents and visitors a shared downtown. Education was also woven into the foundation of Celebration. The community includes Celebration K-8, which covers kindergarten through middle school, and Celebration High School, both built to serve families within the town itself. It reinforced the idea that this wasn't just a place to live, it was designed to function as a complete community. We'd like to thank the sponsor of this episode, YFN Jewelry. The name stands for You Forever Noble, and since 1998 they've been creating high-end jewelry that's both meaningful and accessible. YFN is all about celebrating life's special moments. Their philosophy is built around individualization, inclusiveness, empowerment, and sustainable fashion, and every piece they design reflects that. With their custom series, you can actually create a one-of-a-kind piece that tells your story, transforming jewelry into an art worth cherishing forever. Now, when we say high-end, we mean it. YFN uses precious metals like sterling silver, gold, and platinum, combined with exquisite craftsmanship that exceeds industry standards. But unlike most luxury brands, YFN delivers this quality at an affordable price point. So it's not just for special occasions, it's for every day. They also put a strong emphasis on sustainability. Every piece is crafted only after you place your order, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Even their packaging is thoughtfully designed with biodegradable materials, so the unboxing experience feels as good as the jewelry inside. And yes, the packaging is fantastic. If you'd like to explore their full collection, click the link in the description below, and don't forget to use our exclusive discount code to save 10% off your order. And if you love the pieces we're showcasing here today, we've included direct links to these 3 products in the description as well. Thank you again to YFN Jewelry for supporting this episode. At the heart of Celebration is its downtown, wrapped around the scenic Lake Reinhardt. Brick-paved streets guide you past charming storefronts filled with cafes, boutiques, and restaurants that give the area its signature small-town feel. Favourites include the classic Market Street Cafe, the cozy upper-crust pizza shop, and Reggiano's Italian restaurant, a go-to spot for hearty pastas and authentic flavours. You'll also find wine bars, sweet shops, and specialty stores that make downtown the perfect place to wander and explore. Sundays brings the popular farmers market, where locals and visitors gather to shop fresh produce, baked goods, and unique artisan finds. Throughout the year, Celebration also hosts a wide range of events, from the exotic car show, which lines the streets with rare and classic automobiles, to festive holiday traditions like nightly snow in December and even an outdoor ice skating rink. On any given day, you'll see residents strolling lakeside, families stopping for ice cream, and visitors taking in the charming architecture. But it's during those special events that Celebration truly shines, blending small-town community spirit with Disney's original vision of an ideal hometown. One of the most recognizable landmarks in downtown Celebration is the Celebration Theatre. Originally opened as a movie theatre, it was once a centerpiece for entertainment in the community, but like many small-town cinemas, it eventually closed its doors, and it's now been sitting dark for over a decade. The exciting news is that this iconic building isn't being left behind. Plans are already in motion to update and reimagine the theatre into a modern event space, breathing new life into the property, while keeping it a hub for community gatherings. If everything stays on track, the new venue is expected to open towards the end of 2025, giving residents and visitors another reason to spend time downtown. The Columbia Restaurant in Celebration is part of Florida's oldest restaurant group, originally founded in Tampa's Ybor City in 1905. Known for its Spanish-Cuban cuisine, the Celebration location brings the same historic charm and signature dishes like the 1905 salad, sangria made tableside, and hearty paellas. Set right in downtown overlooking Lake Reinhardt, it blends old-world flavors with the small-town atmosphere of Celebration, making it one of the community's standout dining spots. One of the most enjoyable ways to experience Celebration is by taking a walk along the trail that winds around Lake Reinhardt, the centerpiece of the town. The loop around the lake itself is just under a mile, making it an easy and accessible stroll for visitors of all ages. But the trail is more than just a simple loop. It branches off into pathways that weave through Celebration's residential villages, allowing you to explore the town's picturesque neighborhoods, from pastel-colored homes to beautifully landscaped yards, all thoughtfully designed to maintain a sense of community and charm. As you walk, you're surrounded by Florida's natural beauty. Towering live oaks draped in Spanish moss create a gentle canopy overhead, while graceful palms sway in the breeze. Seasonal flowers add bursts of color along the paths, and native plants like ferns and ornamental grasses line the water's edge. The lake itself is lively with wildlife. Ducks glide across the calm water, herons hunt along the shoreline, and turtles can often be seen sunning themselves on logs or rocks. The combination of water, greenery, and carefully designed landscaping creates a peaceful, almost storybook setting that perfectly reflects the spirit of Celebration. The trail around Lake Reinhardt is not just about nature, it also provides a window into the life of the town. Residents often stroll the paths with their families or pets. Joggers take advantage of the scenic loop, and photographers come to capture the reflections of the homes in the water. The trail also connects key areas of the town, making it easy to move from the lake to the downtown village, local parks, or other neighborhoods, all while enjoying tranquil outdoor experience. If you're up for a bit more adventure, stop by the town centre at Lake Reinhardt and rent a bicycle to explore the Celebration on two wheels. you're planning on staying in Celebration for a few nights, the Celebration Hotel, which is part of the Marriott Autograph Collection, is an ideal choice. This boutique-style hotel combines modern comfort with the charm of the town, offering spacious, well-appointed rooms and contemporary decor that feels both inviting and upscale. Dining at the hotel is just as convenient as it is enjoyable. The Lakeside kitchen and bar serves fresh, locally inspired dishes in a relaxed atmosphere, perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. For lighter fare or a quick pick-me-up, there's an on-site Starbucks, and the hotel's bar offers a stylish spot to unwind in the evening with a cocktail or a glass of wine. The hotel's location is unbeatable. Situated in the heart of Celebration, it's just steps from Lake Reinhardt, where you can stroll the scenic walking trail or simply relax by the water. Downtown shops, boutiques, cafes and restaurants are all within easy walking distance, making it easy to immerse yourself in the charm of the community. Whether you're visiting for a weekend, getaway or longer stay, the Celebration Hotel offers both comfort and convenience, putting you right in the middle of everything that makes Celebration special. One of our favourite spots in Celebration is Avocado Mexican Grill. This vibrant restaurant is known for its fresh, flavourful Mexican cuisine that's both satisfying and budget-friendly, making it perfect for families, couples or solo diners. The menu features a variety of options from classic tacos and enchiladas to specialty dishes with bold, creative flavours, all made with quality ingredients. The ambience at Avocado is lively and welcoming, with colourful decor, warm lighting, and a casual, relaxed vibe that perfectly matches the charm of Celebration. It's a great spot for lunch, dinner, or even just a casual evening out. For those looking to extend the night, there's a bar located to the side of the restaurant that stays open late, offering an inviting space for cocktails, local beers, or margaritas. It's the perfect spot to relax with friends, enjoy the evening, and soak in the town's friendly atmosphere. Between the delicious food, approachable prices, and vibrant setting, Avocado Mexican Grill is a must-visit when exploring Celebration. The Celebration Town Tavern is a local favourite in downtown Celebration, offering a casual, welcoming atmosphere. Enjoy hearty pub fare like burgers and sandwiches, along with a solid selection of beers, cocktails and wines. With indoor and outdoor seating, it's a great spot to relax after exploring the town or strolling around Lake Reinhardt. As we move beyond downtown, it becomes clear that Celebration is more than a single neighbourhood. It's a carefully designed collection of distinct villages, each with its own character and style. Some villages feature cosy condos, ideal for first-time buyers or for those looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle, while others have townhomes that balance convenience with a bit more space. For families and those seeking more privacy, there are single-family homes with yards and gardens, and the town also boasts larger estate homes with expansive lots and premium finishes. Property prices in Celebration range widely, from around $300,000 for smaller condos up to and beyond $2 million for more luxury estates, reflecting the variety of housing options available. Beyond the homes themselves, each village has been thoughtfully planned with community amenities to foster a sense of neighbourhood. Many villages feature private swimming pools, parks and green spaces, and there are churches within walking distance that serve as community hubs. Families have access to the schools we mentioned earlier, but the town also ensures residents' health and safety with a large hospital and emergency room located on the outskirts, providing comprehensive care without needing to travel far. The villages themselves are not just practical, they're visually distinctive, with streetscapes, landscaping, and architectural styles that give each area a unique identity. Some streets are lined with tree-canopied sidewalks and classic American-style homes, while others showcase modern designs or colourful, playful facades. This combination of thoughtful design, practical amenities, and variety in housing options helps make Celebration a truly livable community for people of all ages and lifestyles. For the golf lovers among you, Celebration offers a fantastic 18-hole golf course that's open to the public. Originally designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr., the course combines classic design elements with the natural beauty of Central Florida, offering a challenging yet enjoyable experience for players of all skill levels. The course has been a staple of the community since its opening, attracting both residents and visitors who want to enjoy a day on the greens while taking in the scenic surroundings of Celebration. Celebration isn't just residential. The town also offers commercial space with several large companies located on the outskirts. These business areas provide office spaces, services, and employment opportunities, making Celebration not only a great place to live, but also a hub for commerce and professional activity. So that is Celebration. I've just stopped off at the Starbucks for a passion fruit iced tea lemonade. It's a bit of a hot day today. It's about 89 degrees here. So if you've been to Celebration, be sure to put it in the comments down below. If you haven't and you're heading to either the Walt Disney World Resort or Central Florida, Universal Studios, be sure to check it out. And I'll see you next time.